oven fries, I read this great tip that for oven fries, you should soak the potatoes in hot water for 10 minutes and then drain them, pat them completely dry, and dress them and roast them at 400 degrees for up to an hour to get extra crispy potatoes. It bleeds out some of the starch, and you end up with potatoes that are crispy on the outside and still kind of fluffy and nice on the inside. So I'm going to pour a kettle's worth of hot water over it and let these guys hang out for 10 minutes. I've got a sheet pan, a rimmed large baking sheet ready to go with a little foil and parchment for the potatoes. And I've got some cloth, some kitchen towels back here, ready to drain the potatoes on, and the strainer's in the sink. The potatoes are nice and dry. And now we're going to coat them with about 3 tablespoons. It's about 2. That's about 3. Of EVOO. We're going to season them with fine ground fresh black pepper, freshly ground black pepper. Fine sea salt. And some granulated garlic and onion. Go. Give this a nice toss to coat. Sneak these guys down here. Oh, I could just make it fit. That makes me so happy. Exactly 4 large russet potatoes fit on this tray. Exactly. How perfect. Don't want to waste any of that great flavor in the bowls. I'm just going to sprinkle that down over. And then in they go. So here's our 2 sauces. And I just add Dijon and a good round tablespoon of horseradish, a couple fat tablespoons of Dijon to the sour cream or creme fraiche, and that's the white sauce. I want a little more mustard in that for me. So I used about a 1/4 cup to 3/4 cup of the sour cream. There we go. And then we're going to take our ketchup and add a couple tablespoons of balsamic drizzle or aged balsamic vinegar. That's our second dipper. Oh, look at those. Each person gets 10 cuts. I'm not going to count them. That's just silly. But if I were Larry David, I would. And there you go, guys.